We in the shit factory, man. This nigga Steve. Yeah, that's Steve. He going in right now. Snoring hard. He was just talking to us like 2 minutes ago. And right in the middle of the conversation, he just hit that. Hey, Steve. Haha, bitch.